Question number 1. Which country has 13 months in a year? Option A, Japan, B, Ethiopia, C, Paris, D, Portugal. Answer is option B, Ethiopia. Question number 2. In which country 5 lakh rupees note are circulated? Option A, Bhutan, B, Thailand, C, Vietnam, D, Nepal. Answer is option C, Vietnam. Question number 3. Which country has the most trees? Option A, Brazil, B, Canada, C, Russia, D, India. Answer is option C, Russia. Question number 4. Which country has the most mobile phone users? Option A, Japan, B, India, C, America, D, China. Answer is option D, China. Question number 5. Which country was the first to use fingerprints? Option A, Spain, B, Germany, C, Argentina, D, French. Answer is option C, Argentina. Question number 6. Which country has the most number of tourists? Option A, Italy, B, Paris, C, Africa, D, France. Answer is option D, France. Question number 7. In which country tourists are not allowed to bring mobile? Option A, South Korea, B, North Korea, C, West Indies, D, South Africa. Answer is option B, North Korea. Question number 7. In which country, if you go out without underwear, you may be jailed? Option A, Vietnam, B, Thailand, C, Japan, D, China. Answer is option B, Thailand. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of Indian space program? Option A, APJ Abdul Kalam, B, Vikram Sarabhai, C, Satish Dhawan, D, Homi J. Bhabha. Answer is option B, Vikram Sarabhai. Question number 9. Natula Pass is located in which state? Option A, Uttarakhand, B, Sikkim, C, Arunachal Pradesh, D, Ladakh. Answer is option B, Sikkim. Question number 10. Which game is associated with Durand Cup? Option A, football, B, hockey, C, volleyball, D, cricket. Answer is option A, football. Question number 11. Assam Rifles was created in which year? Option A, 1735, B, 1835, C, 1935, D, 1947. Answer is option B, 1835. Question number 12. When was FDI introduced in India? Option A, 1991, B, 1996, C, 2001, D, 2005. Answer is option A, 1991. Question number 13. What is the animal on the insignia of the RBI? Option A, lion, B, tiger, C, panther, D, elephant. Answer is option B, tiger. Question number 14. The life insurance in India was nationalized in the year? Option A, 1870, B, 1956, C, 1960, D, 1966. Answer is option B, 1956. Question number 15. Which is the oldest form of organization? Option A. Line, B. Line and staff, C. Functional, D. Matrix. Answer is option A, line. Question number 16. Who is father of scientific management? Option A. Henry Fayol, C. Elton Mayo, C. Chester Bernard, D. F.W. Taylor. Answer is option D, F.W. Taylor. Question number 17. Appointment of a company secretary is made by option A. Promoters, B. Board of Directors, C. Debenture holders, D. Government. Answer is option B, Board of Directors. Question number 18. Bonus shares are issued to option A. Equity shareholders, B. Preference shareholders, C. Debenture holders, D. Secured creditors. Answer is option A, equity shareholders. Question number 19. A cooperative auditor starts his work of audit from option A. Account books, B. Payment books, C. Cash book, D. None of the above. Answer is option C, cash book. Question number 20. Who compiles and maintains the accounts of state governments? Option A. State Government, B. Ministry of Finance, C. Union Cabinet, D. CAG of India. Answer is option D, CAG of India.